Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best short throw projectors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BenQ X500i True 4K Gaming Console Projector. Look no further than the BenQ X500i. It uses its 4K pixel shifting technology to project a sharp 60-inch image at a distance of about 3 feet and up to 120 inches at a distance of 6 to 7.2 feet. It's certainly no slouch when it comes to image quality, as its contrast is great and it particularly excels in darker scenes, although it's still quite decent in brighter scenes. It also has a wide color gamut, leading to a vibrant image, although it's not quite bright enough to really make those colors truly pop. Finally, the projector is exceedingly accurate, so much so that even purists won't need to calibrate it. This projector is packed with features. It comes with BenQ's Android TV 11QS02 streaming dongle, which is fully cast capable through Google Chromecast and Apple AirPlay. The dongle has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, HDR10+ capability, and natively supports Netflix. The projector has 2 HDMI ports, with another one hidden behind the top cover, each capable of up to 4K at 60 Hz and 1080p at 240 Hz gaming, with the second HDMI port also doubling as an EARC port. It also has a USB-C port with DP alt mode, so you can use it to directly project content from a connected compatible device. Overall, this is easily the best value short throw projector you can buy. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hisense Laser Cinema PX3 PRO. Then you'll need an ultra short throw projector like the Hisense PX3 PRO. It can project a 90-inch image from just 6.6 inches away and up to a 130-inch image at 14.3 inches. If you're looking for a great option for a home theater setup, the PX3 PRO is a solid choice too, thanks to its great contrast, which is more than enough for an immersive viewing experience in darker rooms. While its out-of-the-box color accuracy is just acceptable, it's good enough for most people, and purists can calibrate it for near-perfect results. What really makes it stand out, though, is its colors. It has the widest color gamut of any projector we've tested, so HDR content looks incredibly vibrant and lifelike. The built-in Google TV Smart OS is another bonus, meaning you won't need a streaming stick to access your favorite apps. Gamers will love the 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, which support 4K at 120 Hz or 1080p at 240 Hz, making it a great choice for high-performance gaming. It also features a decent 50W speaker system, but includes an extra HDMI 2.0 port with EARC if you want to connect a soundbar. Plus, it has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and casting support with Chromecast and AirPlay 2. With its stunning color performance, gaming-friendly features, and solid Smart OS, the PX3 PRO is the best ultra-short-throw projector you can get. At number 3, we have the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 Ultra Short Throw 3-chip 3 LCD Smart Streaming Laser Projector. The Hisense PX3 PRO is bright enough for a room with a few lights, but if you're after the brightest unit possible, consider the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 instead. It's one of the brightest projectors we've tested, so you don't need to worry about turning off the lights when using it. It also performs well in pitch black rooms thanks to its decent contrast. Like the Hisense, it projects a sharp image using 4K pixel shifting technology. Its color gamut and accuracy are both satisfactory, so while this projector has no major weaknesses in terms of image quality, outside of its brightness, it doesn't have any standout strengths either. One possible exception is its projection distance. It can project an 80-inch image from only 0.9 inches away, or a 150-inch image from 9.9 inches, making it even more versatile than the Hisense when it comes to placement. It's also packed with features, including built-in Android TV with full Chromecast integration. It even has a decent 2.1 speaker system from Yamaha, although we recommend a home theater speaker system for maximum impact. It has 3 HDMI ports, including an ARC port. All HDMI ports can accept a 4K at 60 Hz signal, but the third one also supports a 1080p at 120 Hz signal. The projector also features Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5. Overall, if you need a projector for a brighter room, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 is a better choice than the Hisense PX3 PRO. At number 2, we have the Epson EpiqVision Ultra Short Throw LS303 LCD Smart Laser Projector. If you like the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 but find it too expensive, consider its step-down model, the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS300. They're very similar products overall, but the LS300 projects a 1080p image instead of the pixel-shifted 4K of the LS800. This means it doesn't look quite as sharp, but it's otherwise very similar. Extremely bright, with all right contrast, and a decent color gamut. One thing it does have over its more expensive sibling is a much more accurate image out of the box, making it a great option if you don't want to worry about calibrating your new projector. Finally, it's also an ultra-short throw projector, projecting a 60-inch image from a distance of only 1 inch up to a 120-inch image from a distance of 15.2 inches. It also doesn't skimp on features, as it comes with a fully functioning Android TV OS with full Chromecast integration. It has 2 HDMI ports, both capable of 1080p at 60 Hz, with one doubling as an ARC port. It also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a USB data port for playing videos directly from a USB key, and an optical out port. Ultimately, while it's not quite as well-rounded as the BenQ X500i, it's way brighter, making it a better fit for brighter rooms. It offers a lot of what makes the LS800 great, but at a cheaper price. And finally, at number 1, we have the BenQ TH671ST1080p Short Throw Gaming Projector. You don't need to empty your bank account to get a decent short throw projector, as the BenQ TH671 offers a satisfactory experience for a budget price. Of course, you're sacrificing some image quality compared to the products above, as its brightness is mediocre, so it looks washed out when the lights are on. Luckily, its contrast is satisfactory, offering a pleasant viewing experience in darker rooms. It's also colorful, and its pre-calibration color accuracy is great. It projects a 60-inch image at a distance of about 3 feet and up to a 180-inch image at about 9 feet. The projector is a bit light on features. It doesn't support Bluetooth or Wi-Fi out of the box and doesn't have a smart OS. It has only one 5W speaker, so you need a soundbar to get adequate sound. When it comes to ports, it has 2 HDMI 1.4 ports, and both can project up to 1920 by 1200 or 1080p at 60 Hz. The second HDMI port has MHL support, so you can directly plug your phone or tablet into that port to stream your screen to the projector. Finally, it has a mini USB service port and a USB Type-A port for power delivery. Ultimately, this model is of great value as long as you can deal with its longer projection range. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.